before spotless hospitals, before polished office towers, before modern public buildings welcomed millions of visitors. There was the janitor, reliable, skilled, essential. The uniform was never created for prestige. It was designed for purpose. Every clean classroom, every safe hallway, every well-maintained workplace depends upon people whose work often goes unnoticed. As cities expanded during the 19th and 20th centuries, schools, factories, government buildings, and hospitals grew larger and more complex. Keeping these spaces clean became a profession rather than an occasional task. Workers needed clothing that could withstand constant movement, frequent washing, exposure to cleaning chemicals, and long hours of physical labor. The answer became the modern janitor uniform, built for durability, comfort, and practicality. The science behind the uniform begins with its fabric. Early work garments were commonly made from heavy cotton, strong enough to resist abrasion, comfortable enough for long shifts. As textile technology advanced, cotton polyester blends became increasingly common. These fabrics combine breathability with wrinkle resistance, quick drying, and improved durability. Modern finishes may also help resist stains and reduce moisture absorption. Construction reflects everyday efficiency. Reinforced seams strengthen areas exposed to repeated movement. Utility pockets keep tools within easy reach. Relaxed tailoring allows bending, lifting, and walking without restriction. Heavy-duty zippers and durable buttons are chosen for long service life. Every design decision supports demanding daily work. Safety also plays an important role. High-visibility uniforms improve awareness in busy facilities. Protective gloves, aprons, and specialized footwear often complement the basic uniform depending on the workplace. In hospitals and laboratories, additional protective garments help reduce contamination risks. Throughout the 20th century, the appearance of janitor uniforms became more standardized. Professional identification promoted trust. Company branding created consistency. Color-coded uniforms help distinguish different maintenance roles in large organizations. Modern manufacturing continues improving performance. Recycled fibers reduce environmental impact. Stretch fabrics enhance mobility. Antimicrobial textile treatments are used in some occupational settings where appropriate. Computer-assisted pattern design improves fit while reducing production waste. Today, the janitor uniform represents far more than practical clothing. It reflects professionalism, responsibility, and quiet dedication. It reminds us that clean and safe spaces are not accidents. They are the result of skilled work performed every single day. Because some of society's most important contributions leave no monument behind, only clean floors, safe buildings, and environments where everyone else can do the best work.